Hello guys, so today we will learn how to insert the image to the graph using origin. As you can see in the graph there is a one image and inside the graph. So today we will learn how to do this. This is very easy and straightforward. I will teach you step by step. Open origin. We will copy some data. For example, we will choose, for example, this data. You can also directly open the file. Insert the data, Control V. Data is here. So first we will draw the graph. Choose the column X and choose the 2 column Y. Double Y. So graph is almost ready. If you want, you can make it more beautiful by clicking here, changing the size, and choosing this one. Okay, let's see how it looks better. Similarly, you can change this graph. Okay, let's choose this and change the size. I am repeating these steps so that you can also learn these if you don't know. Okay, let's see. Graph is this size is also small. Choose 15. Yeah, so the graph is almost ready and you can make changes or you can make it more beautiful if you like. So my purpose is to show you how to insert the image. Once your graph is ready, then you can choose the tab Insert on the top bar. Click Insert, then you will have multiple options. Image from the file, image from the image window, image from the web, word map. There are multiple options, so we will choose this one, image from the file. Then we have to choose the folder which have some image. Let's choose this one. Open. Okay, image is already here. So but you can see that image is on the top of the graph, so it's hiding the data. You can see here the data is under this image. So first we have to make this image push it back to the data. You can right click and then just click if you want to bring front, then you can click this. If you want to push it back to the data, then you can push back of the data. Here you can see, no, it's at the back side of the data. If you choose, you can see the data is still seen. It's not so clear. Let me change the color. Sorry, this I have chosen the image. So just click this data. I will change the color to make it more clear. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so invisible. Let's keep it red. Yeah, so this image is here. So another question is how you can make this image small. You can just click on the image and then drag it from here. You can make this image small. If you want to crop this image, then click on the image, then right click. I guess first you need to unlink the file, because if you delete the image from the folder, it will also be deleted from the graph. So I have unlinked. So double click. So image is open. Now you can make the changes. You can crop, for example, add ROI. Yeah, you can choose the area you want. You can choose any area. Let's choose this area. Okay, then we can crop. You can export. There are multiple options. It's up to you. So let's keep it a simple crop. So this is cropped. it's magnified, so it looks a bit blurred. So once it's cropped, you can see it's also cropped here, but you must enter this. Okay, no, it's ready here. You can make it smaller if you like. Yeah, and in this way we can insert the image, any type of image inside the graph using origin. And let's see if we copy it works or not. I am copying the graph. It's copied, so let's paste here. Sorry, I have to exit and show, and let's paste here, or you can paste in new slide. Let's paste here you can see. Now you can modify this is in one image graph and your SCM image or any image. So today we learned how to insert the image into the graph using origin. If you have any question, please feel free to drop comments, so I will respond accordingly. Thank you very much.